Hi, my name is Rachel, and this is a Cambridge double. I live in this room with my best friend since 4th grade, and across from us are our 2 suite mates, and all together we share a communal living space with a full-size fridge, major plus. So my best friend and roommate, she has a more like loft style. She has a lot of anime posters because she really likes anime. She has a lot of pink because her favorite color is pink. My side, as an art history student, I have a lot of art history stuff. I have a lot of postcards from different museums. I have a little Van Gogh doll, which is definitely more to my taste. So for my own personal storage, as you can see, I have a half loft bed, which means that I can store a ton of stuff under my bed, which is really nice. And I keep like my shoes down here, my boxes from moving out, and then I also have my recycling down here. So me and my roommate split the closet, and what's actually really cool is that every room comes with 2 dressers. So this is where we keep a lot of our clothes, a lot of our t-shirts, pants, stuff like that doesn't necessarily need to be hung up. I love our TV nook for weekly movie nights. It's a really good place for me and my roommate to kind of unwind and come together at the end of the day.